Myth or fact? Keto is just bacon and butter? Not quite. Here's the real breakdown. Keto means low carb, moderate protein, high fat. About 5–10% carbs, 20–25% protein, the rest fat. That shift puts you in ketosis. Your liver makes ketones your brain and body use for fuel. Benefits: appetite often drops, helping weight loss. Metabolic perks: lower triglycerides, higher HDL, better insulin sensitivity for some. Risks: keto flu, headache, fatigue, irritability in week 1. Fixes: hydrate, add electrolytes, and eat enough calories and fiber. GI issues can happen, constipation or reflux for some. Lipids may rise, LDL can go up. Monitor if you have heart risk. On insulin or sulfonylureas, you need a clinician to adjust meds to avoid lows. Type 1 diabetes? Don't do keto without specialist guidance. Smarter keto. Prioritize whole food fats and proteins with plenty of non-starchy veggies. Prep simple meals you'll actually stick with. In Texas, getting help is easy. With My Home Doc Telehealth, book a same-day video visit. No insurance needed. Starting at $39. HIPAA-compliant, high-definition care from home. Talk primary care, weight loss strategy, mental health, or chronic conditions. Book online now at My Home Doc Telehealth. Link in the description. Education only. Don't start or change a diet or meds without talking to a clinician.